Hello, it's me, Elijah, taking a video of awesomeness. Hope everybody will like this video. Take a long ride.
Yeah.
What are you thinking? Hey, everybody, say hi.
Hey.
Go, guys, go be all around the world on YouTube. Say hi. Here's my psycho brother. Here's my born brother. Sitting over there. Holy shit. Say hi to the audience for the world. And we're about to take a long tractor ride. Well, not very long. Well, we're sitting in chairs. We're sitting in chairs on a open thing. It's
And also here's the balloon.
the awesomest thing ever. And here's a fart noise.
And also here's the balloon part. So I hope you like this video.
Here's Leander.
And YouTube is.
I'm going to put it on YouTube.
How? Oh my
I know.
God. What was that 2%?
Yes, it is. Wait. Well, okay, people. Only got a little charge left. Let's hope this thing is quick.
Yeah, that's when we have a balloon party.
Okay, then let's get this show on the road. Come on, come on.
I don't have balloons.
Well, that was excess stuff that didn't matter. Come on. Yes, now the tractor starts to drive, and we are moving. We are moving. It's probably the best thing ever. Everybody's struggling to get on. Well, I'll show you on the road, then we're going to end this video.